Victorious, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's video, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packages from SHEIN. SHEIN. So here guys, and I have been waiting for a long time guys. Grabe, matagal ko nang hinihintay to guys, and finally, it arrived, all of them. So we were going to unbox them one by one, and I'm pretty a little bit nervous because this is my first time guys na umorder sa SHEIN, and they're quite pricey though. There are cheap ones guys, merong mahal, meron din affordable, ganun. So, but you know, it's up to you guys which one you wanna buy. So, anyways, all the sizes are extra small or small, depends on what I like. And also, if you notice a little bit of noise of the gadget, it's my son over there. He's behind me. He can't leave me alone. So, anyways, so the first one is this. Oh, wait. Is this white one? It's I don't know what this one, but I'm pretty sure guys ano siya, long sleeve. So it's folded like that. It's white crop top, and the sleeve guys is yung parang ano siya, my loosey kind of, you know, ganyan guys. Okay, so the second one guys is another I don't know, looks like a sheer type of long sleeve. So yeah, it's this kind of long sleeve guys. It's see-through. It meant to be see-through because parang sheer type siya guys with long sleeve again. And then I'm going to wear them one by one guys, so don't worry. So the next one is this they don't really have names, so I have to kind of check. Oh, this kind of a leggings, not leggings, but like you know, up to knee shorts. And just by looking at it guys, parang big siya sa akin. So we'll see when we try it on. And it's color black, and it says here sports. So nice though. It's size small. Whew. I take the risk for that. So this one, oh okay, this one. So yung top niya guys is see-through style. Ganito. Tapos ito yung front niya, parang may bra or like ano yung heart thing niya. At saka ito yung long sleeve niya. So I like see-through guys because you know it's really hot here in Philippines guys. Grabe ang init, especially summer na. So I still like to pull off this long sleeve, but wearing kind of a thick one is too hot. So wearing a sheer one or like this type and see-through is very nice because yet you have the long sleeve, but then it's very breathable or airy kind of. Okay, so the next one, it's extra small, so it's quite a little bit heavy, the nude color. So oh okay, oh it's this high-waisted pants guys. Grabe ang taas. Oh so tapos yung end niya guys is ganito, parang ano siya, yung the same sa white long sleeve natin. Parang ano siya, yung malaki, yung flare out yung end niya. I think that's what it's called. So yeah, and extra small. So I would pretty much sure this would fit me. I don't know. Yung taas niya guys, I think it's too tall because you know I'm not really a tall person. Maliit lang tayo guys, I'm very short. So yeah, for sure it's very long, but we'll see. And then the last one, ooh, look at this. It's like a satin type of a nude dress. You all know I like black, white, nude, or like not really like all nudie style, not very glammy. I mean, I would try to wear some, you know, colorful, but I would prefer nudes and black. So this one. Yay! Oh, it has a slit in the front. Oh, 2 slits. See? Wow. And it has this, may button siya guys sa front, pero yung ano lang siya, for decorating na lang yung nilalagay, hindi talaga siya useful. But in the back guys, may zipper siya all the way down. Not too down, like just until here. Long enough though to fit yourself. And this is a size extra small. So I don't know, it's extra small, but it still looks like very a little bit big on me. I mean, I'm not expecting it guys na yung parang bodycon or fitted siya. So maybe yung maluwag siya. I think that's yung style niya nito. Maluwag lang. Nakakahina ka lang. So yeah. I forgot guys kung magkano yung nabayaran ko total sa mga clothes or sa mga ino-order ko. Kasi besides sa clothing guys, may na-order din akong other stuff na hindi ko na lang ini-include dito sa video kasi parang out of the place siya kasi hindi naman talaga siya clothing or something. Yung maliit lang na gamit sa bahay and stuff like that. So yeah, this is all our clothing haul. And from SHEIN, and I hope you guys like watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and follow me to all my social media na ililink doon po sa description box. And I'll see you on my next one, which is right after this one. I have my vlog a few days ago and I'm so excited to post it too. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye!